How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar, click on it. With that you will land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner you will find this settings icon, click on it. Over here you will find different options. Below two-factor authentication you will find the option of notifications, open it. Now from here you have to enable notifications for all the options. Once you do that, close this. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, head towards the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options, toggle on for all the options. Give access to all these, microphone, camera and so on. Likewise, open this option of notifications. Check in for all these options, lock screen, notification center, banners, likewise sounds and badges. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your app store. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Heading towards next solution, open your settings. Scroll down, open this option general. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. Now from here, find the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat video sound not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.